Maritime resource management is no longer just about fuel and crew. It's also about high-speed internet. Today's yachts rely on smart connectivity planning to operate efficiently and safely at sea. Marine Data Solutions offers enterprise-grade systems like the MDS Blender, which bonds satellite, LTE, and 5G networks for always-on coverage. Paired with Starlink maritime kits, marine-grade routers, and LTE 5G modems, these systems deliver seamless, high-speed internet, even in remote waters. Structured planning lets crews prioritize bandwidth for navigation, safety, and critical communications. It prevents bottlenecks, automates load balancing, and ensures operational systems stay online without conflict. Treating internet access as a managed resource also supports the blue economy. From sharing environmental data to ensuring regulatory compliance, digital connectivity now powers sustainability at sea. With secure, redundant, and intelligent systems, yachts can stay connected, compliant, and efficient every mile of the way.